Okay, hello there. It's Michael, obviously. Well, I want to show off my new gun. So, first of all, this is the stuff I got with it. Two massive bottles of .2 high-grade BBs. And I also got this. A nice holster for my pistol. But they're not important. This is. Oh yeah. Right. So we've got instructions here. Whatever. As you can see, doesn't matter about that. This is my guitar falling. This is what you get. You get speed loader, charger, the battery, some BBs, and the gun, obviously. Underneath the gun, you get this. It's clean out the barrel. You also get this tiny little Allen key. They're not important. Back to the gun. The gun is made of the same material as the real gun itself, apart from the top bit, which is just normal plastic. Who gives a shit, okay? I mean, just who gives a shit about that stuff for anything? Yeah, I'll just put the battery in now. Right, yeah, I forgot. This is how you take off the cloth if you didn't already see. Okay? You press this button here. There's the button on the back, you just push that in and lift off the top. Okay, it doesn't matter where that's going to be, it doesn't. People do that in other videos, but I don't give a crap. Anyway, the mag's on the side, a couple will drop out maybe, but I've had a bit of trouble with the magazine. It's like they keep coming out. See? Well, you probably didn't see that, but anyway. Dad dropped it, so it probably went haywire. But anyway, that's that then. So you get 29 BBs in that altogether. We're going to put it back in. Okay, start like that. Put the top back on. And next, I'm going to show you how it fires. Okay? Yeah. Right. As you can see, this is the single shot one. Okay? Up on the selector is single shot, and down is automatic. But anyway, single shot just now. I'm about to take the safety off, which is on this side. Okay, I'm going to get a bit further back and I hope I don't hit the computer. But anyway, here we go. Okay, now on to automatic. So, what we do, we put the selector down. Oh yeah, yeah, that's the shit there. Right, okay, here we go. And the final result is, well, a dented like hell can. But on the other video I made, there was huge holes in it. There was even an exit one. But since it's kind of late, I didn't keep shooting it. So anyway, I've proved my point. There you go. Goodbye.